ITsoft W4 Online Training. What is ITsoft W4 and how does it enhance business process automation? ITsoft W4 is a business process automation (BPA) platform designed to streamline and optimize document-centric workflows and business processes. It combines AI-powered intelligent document processing (IDP) with workflow automation to enhance efficiency, compliance, and decision-making in enterprises. Key features of ITsoft W4. Intelligent Document Processing (IDP) uses AI and machine learning for OCR, optical character recognition, data extraction, and classification of documents, invoices, contracts, forms, etc. Automates invoice processing, compliance checks, and fraud detection. Workflow automation and BPM, business process management. Provides low-code, no-code workflow modeling for automating business rules and approvals. Enables process orchestration across multiple departments and systems. Robotic Process Automation (RPA) integration. Works with RPA tools to automate repetitive tasks, reducing human intervention in document processing. Compliance and security. Ensures regulatory compliance, GDPR, ISO standards, through audit trails, access controls, and digital signatures. Fraud detection mechanisms for financial and legal documents. Cloud and on-prem deployment. Offers flexibility to deploy in the cloud, on-premises, or hybrid environments. AI and machine learning capabilities. Enhances data accuracy and decision-making by using predictive analytics and anomaly detection. How ITsoft W4 enhances business process automation? Reduces manual effort, automates document intake, classification, and data validation. Speeds up workflows, eliminates bottlenecks in approval processes and accelerates decision-making. Improves compliance and risk management, ensures regulatory adherence and detects fraud risks. Enhances data accuracy, uses AI to minimize errors in document handling and processing. Optimizes cost efficiency, reduces operational costs by automating labor-intensive processes. Use cases. Accounts payable automation, invoice processing, fraud detection. Customer onboarding and KYC, ID verification, compliance checks. HR and contract management, recruitment, contract approval workflows. Procurement and supply chain, automated approvals, supplier document verification. How to configure and deploy ITsoft W4 for intelligent document processing. Configuring and deploying ITsoft W4 for intelligent document processing, IDP, involves several steps. From installation to workflow customization and integration. Below is a structured approach. 1. Prerequisites and environment setup. Ensure your environment meets the following requirements. Operating system, Windows Server Linux. Database, PostgreSQL, Oracle, or Microsoft SQL Server. Application server, Apache Tomcat or JBoss. Java runtime, Java 11 or later. Hardware, sufficient CPU, RAM, and storage based on expected document volume. 2. Installation of ITsoft W4. A. Install the core components. Download and extract ITsoft W4 software package. Install the database schema using the provided scripts. Deploy the W4 application on an application server, Tomcat JBoss. Configure user authentication, LDAP, Active Directory, or single sign-on. Start the application and verify service availability. 3. Configuration for intelligent document processing. A. Document capture and pre-processing. Configure OCR/ICR, Intelligent Character Recognition. Set up OCR engines for text extraction. Define document templates for structured and unstructured formats. Enable AI-based classification. Train machine learning models to auto-classify documents. Configure rules for document separation. B. Data extraction and business rule configuration. Define key-value pairs to extract invoice number, date, amount, etc. Set up validation rules to ensure data integrity. Integrate with external data sources, ERP, CRM, for validation. C. Workflow automation. Design approval workflows using W4 BPM. Configure exception handling, manual verification for low-confidence data. Set up automatic escalation rules for anomalies. What are the key features of ITsoft W4 for workflow and case management? ITsoft W4 is a robust workflow and case management solution designed to streamline business processes and enhance efficiency. Here are its key features. 1. Workflow automation. Automates complex business processes to improve efficiency. Supports BPMN, Business Process Model and Notation, for workflow design. Enables end-to-end process orchestration. 2. Case management. Provides a centralized platform to manage cases and documents. Allows dynamic case management with flexible workflows. Supports collaboration among teams for case resolution. 3. AI-driven document processing. Utilizes artificial intelligence, AI, for intelligent document recognition. Enhances data extraction and classification. Supports automated decision-making in workflows. 4. Compliance and security. Ensures regulatory compliance with built-in audit trails. Provides role-based access control and secure document storage. Offers GDPR and industry-standard compliance features. 5. Integration capabilities. Supports integration with third-party applications and enterprise systems. Compatible with ERP, CRM, and ECM platforms. Offers APIs for custom integrations. 6. Analytics and reporting. Provides real-time dashboards for monitoring workflow performance. Enables data-driven decision-making with business intelligence tools. Supports KPI tracking and performance analytics. 7. Cloud and on-premises deployment. Available as both a cloud-based and on-premises solution. Scalable architecture to support business growth. Ensures high availability and reliability. 8. Mobile and web access. Provides access to workflows and cases via mobile and web interfaces. Enables remote work and real-time collaboration. Supports notifications and alerts for task management. How to integrate ITsoft W4 with enterprise systems and cloud platforms. Integrating ITsoft W4 with enterprise systems and cloud platforms requires careful planning and execution. Below are the key steps and considerations for seamless integration. 1. Understanding ITsoft W4 capabilities. ITsoft W4 is an automation platform specializing in document processing, workflow automation, and business process management (BPM). It supports APIs and web services for integration, Enterprise Content Management (ECM), RPA, Robotic Process Automation, AI and OCR for intelligent data capture. 2. Integration strategies. A. API-based integration. ITsoft W4 provides REST and SOAP APIs, allowing integration with ERP systems, SAP, Oracle eBusiness Suite, Microsoft Dynamics, CRM platforms, Salesforce, HubSpot, document management systems, DMS, SharePoint, OpenText, cloud-based storage, Google Drive, OneDrive, AWS S3. Steps to integrate using APIs. Identify API endpoints from ITsoft W4, example for workflow automation, document retrieval. Authenticate using OAuth or API keys. Map business workflows between ITsoft and the target system. Implement API calls to exchange data, JSON XML formats. Monitor API performance using logging tools. B. Middleware and iPaaS integration. If direct API integration is complex, middleware solutions like MuleSoft, Boomi, or Informatica can act as a bridge. Benefits. No need for deep customization. Provides error handling and monitoring. What are the best practices for optimizing performance in ITsoft W4? Optimizing performance in ITsoft W4 involves a combination of system tuning, process optimization, and infrastructure improvements. Here are some best practices. 1. Infrastructure optimization. Hardware scaling. Ensure adequate CPU, RAM, and disk space for handling document processing. Database performance. Optimize database queries and indexing to improve retrieval times. Load balancing. Distribute workloads across multiple servers to prevent bottlenecks. 2. Workflow optimization. Minimize workflow complexity. Reduce unnecessary steps in document processing workflows. Parallel processing. Leverage parallelization for handling multiple document streams. Automation and AI. Use AI-driven data extraction and classification for faster processing. 3. System configuration. Memory allocation. Adjust JVM settings for optimal memory usage. Logging optimization. Reduce logging verbosity in production to minimize performance overhead. Connection pooling. Optimize database and application server connection pools. 4. Document processing optimization. Batch processing. Process documents in batches rather than one by one. Image compression. Optimize image file sizes before processing. OCR tuning. Fine-tune optical character recognition (OCR) settings for accuracy versus speed balance. 5. Monitoring and maintenance. Performance monitoring. Use ITsoft Analytics to track system performance. Regular updates keep software and dependencies up to date. Proactive alerts set up alerts for high resource consumption and failures. How does ITsoft W4 ensure compliance and security in document processing? ITsoft W4 ensures compliance and security in document processing through a combination of advanced technologies, regulatory adherence, and robust security frameworks. Here are the key ways it achieves this. 1. Regulatory compliance. GDPR and data protection laws. ITsoft W4 solutions adhere to GDPR and other data privacy regulations, ensuring that personal data is processed securely and transparently. ISO 27001 certification. ITsoft maintains compliance with international security standards, ensuring the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data. Audit Trails provides detailed logging and tracking of document interactions for compliance with industry regulations like SOX and HIPAA. 2. Secure document capture and processing. End-to-end encryption. Documents are encrypted during transmission and storage to prevent unauthorized access. Role-based access control. RBAC ensures only authorized users can access sensitive documents and perform specific actions. Digital signatures and authentication supports electronic signatures and multi-factor authentication (MFA) to validate document authenticity. 3. Fraud detection and risk management. AI-powered fraud detection uses AI and machine learning algorithms to detect anomalies and potential fraudulent activities in document processing. Automated compliance checks ensures that documents meet required legal and business standards before processing. 4. Workflow automation and governance. Automated validation and verification reduces human errors and ensures compliance with predefined business rules. Audit and reporting tools enables real-time monitoring, compliance reporting, and audit preparation. 5. Cloud security and on-premise options. Secure Cloud Hosting offers secure cloud environments with data redundancy and backup mechanisms. On-premise deployment provides organizations with control over their document processing infrastructure for enhanced security. Why choose ProExcellency for ITsoft W4 online training? ProExcellency is a leading provider of virtual and corporate training, specializing in IT consulting and professional online education. They are committed to delivering high-quality, result-oriented training solutions that empower individuals and organizations to achieve excellence in their respective fields. ProExcellency. While specific information about ITsoft W4 online training is not available in the provided sources, ProExcellency offers a range of services that may align with your training needs. Advanced online training, utilizing the latest technologies to provide an authentic e-learning platform, ProExcellency ensures that professionals gain expertise in their chosen fields. ProExcellency. Flexible commercial models. They offer adaptable pricing structures to accommodate various customer requirements, making their services competitive in terms of billing costs. ProExcellency. Expert resources. With a team of subject matter experts and professionals, ProExcellency is equipped to deliver quality services tailored to your interests. ProExcellency. Positive customer feedback. Pro Excellency has received excellent reviews with a 5.00 out of 5 rating based on customer experiences, highlighting their commitment to customer satisfaction. Why choose Pro Excellency for ITsoft W4 online training? Pro Excellency is a leading provider of virtual and corporate training, specializing in IT consulting and professional online education. They are committed to delivering high-quality, result-oriented training solutions that empower individuals and organizations to achieve excellence in their respective fields. Pro Excellency. While specific information about ITsoft W4 online training is not available in the provided sources, Pro Excellency offers a range of services that may align with your training needs. Advanced online training, utilizing the latest technologies to provide an authentic e-learning platform, Pro Excellency ensures that professionals gain expertise in their chosen fields. Pro Excellency. Flexible commercial models. They offer adaptable pricing structures to accommodate various customer requirements, making their services competitive in terms of billing costs. Pro Excellency. Expert resources. With a team of subject matter experts and professionals, Pro Excellency is equipped to deliver quality services tailored to your interests. Pro Excellency. Positive customer feedback. Pro Excellency has received excellent reviews with a 5.00 out of 5 rating based on customer experiences, highlighting their commitment to customer satisfaction. Thank you.